Guys, if I spin this fidget spinner on this Ninja Turtle for 5 seconds, you guys have to smash the like button. Yeah guys, let's do this. 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Boom! Right guys, have to smash the like button.
Wanna join my free gift cards giveaway? Subscribe to my channel, like the video and turn notifications on. And finally, tell me on the comment section that you subscribe.
Hey and welcome back to another brand new video, another day, another banger. Guys, on today's video we have a really insane video guys. Yo, it's gonna be like so insane guys again. So guys, on today's video, I'm gonna be calling Ninja Turtles at 3 AM and see what happens guys. Alright, yo, I really don't know what to say guys. Like for those who don't know who's Ninja Turtles, I'll put picture right over here guys. Look at this. So there are 4 turtles that they are so insane guys. They are friends. One is blue, one is orange, one is red and one is purple guys. Alright, so there are 4 turtles and they are so insane guys. I'm excited that I'm going to call them at 3 AM and see what happens guys. Alright, for those who know what happens at 3 AM, 3 AM is the time where all the evils and spirits come to earth guys, and it's their time to do anything they want. And I was like, wait, let's just call these 4 turtles on that time and see what happens guys. Alright, and look at this guys, I just bought these 4 insane turtles guys. Look, when I bought them they were colored like this guys, and I decided to buy them for this video because they look like Ninja Turtles guys. Look, like when the Ninja Turtles grew they were looking like this. Alright guys, like this was Ninja Turtle before, now they grown up. Yo, it's so insane guys. Look, we got the orange one here, we got the red one here, we got the blue one and the purple one. Oh my god, it's so insane guys. Purple, red, orange and blue. Alright guys, these are the Ninja Turtles and I actually bought them for this video, and we are gonna see what happens to them at 3 AM. But before this video starts, you guys know what to do. Boom, go follow me on both on social medias guys. It is right on screen right now, so follow me on there for a chance to get a shout out every video guys, like this. So this is how to get a shout out guys. I just made it onto my Instagram af11_69. Make sure to follow me on there, alright guys. And then I'm gonna come down here. Our goal is to hit 50k followers, alright. And then I'm gonna come down here, open my recent picture. Oh my god guys, 186 comment, 720 likes guys. Alright, and I'm just going to scroll down. Alright guys, make sure to spam comment for a more chance to get the shout out. Alright guys, so shout out to Fresh Freddy, shout out to AR7 guys. Make sure to check out this channel guys, AR7 production. Alright, shout out to Algin, shout out to Yahya. Look guys, he commented so many times. Shout out to Manuel, shout out to Algin. Look how many comments guys, look how many
comments she did. Oh my, shout out to Raj, shout out to Exa, shout out to Saya, shout out to Saya again, shout out to xxSoso, shout out to Faisal. Oh my god, look how many comments. Shout out to Santos, shout out to Sanju, shout out to Haja, shout out to Edwin. Oh my god, look how many comments Edwin guys. Make sure to spam comment like him so you guys get a better chance to get a shout out. Oh my god, look at this. Edwin, you're the best. So now I'm just gonna scroll down. If you guys your name, just screenshot it, alright? Let's go. Oh my god, look at all of this guys. Yo, the spam comment and they're getting shout out guys, alright? Oh my, oh, that's it.
So that was the Instagram shout out guys. Again, make sure to follow me on Instagram and spam comment on my recent post, and make sure to follow me for a chance to get the shout out like that. Alright guys, and go down right now, smash that like button, subscribe to my channel if you're new, and turn on post notification to be on notification squad guys. So in today's video we are going to be calling Ninja Turtles at 3 AM. But before this video starts, you know what time it is?
Disco time.
Shooting stars didn't even get to cross.
Stop messing around and look at the time. Look at the time guys, it is 3:04 AM right now. And I just got the Ninja Turtle on my phone right now. And look at this guys, I actually got the turtles over here. Look, we got 4 colors of turtles guys. Look at this. Oh my god, they look so insane. Look at this. We got purple, we got the red one. Look guys, we got red turtle, and we got blue and orange. 4 in total guys. We got 4 turtles. Look at this, if it focuses. Look guys, there are 4 turtles inside. Oh my god, like the Ninja Turtles guys. Yo, it's insane. Look, we got 4 turtles and they are all the same colors as Ninja Turtle. Alright guys, so we are just gonna put them over here. And yo, let's call Ninja Turtles, guys, alright? I just got the number like right on my phone. Yo, come on, guys. Oh my god, let's see if he answers. Come on. Please. Come on, come on. Yo, it's actually ringing, yes. Come on, he hanged up. Guys, that means he has the phone. The phone is active. That's a good thing. Come on again. Ninja Turtle. Oh my god, this is so insane. Come on. Come on. Yo, not again. Come on, he just keeps hanging up. Yo, guys, the insane thing is that the number... Oh my god, there's no way. Yo, guys, Ninja Turtle is calling me. He's calling me, guys. I was gonna say like the number works, but he doesn't answer, but he just called me. Oh my god, this is so insane. Yo, what should I do, guys? Should I answer it? Like, I have to. Come on. Hello?
Hello. Who are you? What do you want?
Is this the Ninja Turtles?
Wait, that's our secret. How do you know it?
Are you the Ninja Turtle?
We are the Ninja Turtles. How do you know us?
Sorry, I cannot say it.
Okay, alright.
Do not say about this to anyone. If you do, we will fight you.
Oh, I'm not gonna say it to anyone. Wait, what? There is no way, guys. Yo, the first guy was talking to me. It was the red guy, guys. The red guy has a really deep voice, like the giant one. In the Ninja Turtle, there is 4 guys, and the red one is like huge, guys, and he has a really deep voice. But the last one, I think it was the orange one or blue one, guys. He was talking like so nice. He said, "Don't say it to anyone, or we will find you, guys." Yo, watch that! Oh my god! Yo, what's going on? Oh my god! Yo, what is going on? Oh my god! Come on! Please stop this! Yo, I didn't say it to anyone yet. Yo, come on, please. Oh my god, come on, please turn the lights on. Yo, come on, Ninja Turtles, I never said it to anyone yet. Come on, please turn the lights on. Yo, come on, Ninja. Yes, it's back on. Oh my god, guys. One of the turtles are missing. Yo, look at this. Oh my god. Yo, look at this, guys. Yo, one of the turtles are missing. It's 3. It was 4. Wait, let me see which one is missing. Yo. Alright, we got the blue one. The red one is here too. And the purple one. Wait, guys, there's no way the orange one is missing. There is no way. Yo, like one turtle is missing. Like, where can he be? There is no way. No. Someone just ring. It might be the turtle. I mean, I don't know. It might be the Ninja Turtles. Wait, let's open the door. Let's go. Oh my god. Yo, come on. Oh my god, I cannot see anything. Oh my god. Yo, there is no way. Oh my god, look at the outside. Yo, it's the Ninja Turtle, guys. Oh my god. Wait, it's the orange one. The one that went missing. Yo, let me open the door. Oh my god. Come on. Yes. Wait, where did he go? Yo, there's no way. Where did he go? Oh my god. He's not even here. Oh my god, guys, this is insane. He left me something. I don't know what this is, guys. Oh my god, this is so insane. Look, he just left me a potion or something. Yo, this is so insane. Oh my god. Let's take this inside and see what happens, guys. Let's go. Oh my god. Yo, the turtle went missing. Oh my god, look, guys. Yo, it even glows. Look at this. He just left me this thing, guys. I don't know what it is. It looks so insane, guys. Yo, come on, not again. Wait. Oh my god, look at this. Oh my god. This is like a potion or something, guys. Yo, this is so creepy. Look at this. It's a potion. Oh my god. Yo, this looks so dope. Oh my god, guys, just look at this. Yo, the lights are back on. This thing actually glows in the dark. Oh my god, it's a potion. Yo guys, I think if I give this to the other turtles, they will grow up too. I'm not gonna do that guys. Like, look at the size of them guys. Oh my god, they were like so small. Look. They were like so small guys. Look at this. This is the blue turtle. But the orange one is still missing guys. I think he took this potion and that's why he's big now. Yo, this is like so insane. I really don't know what to say guys. If this video gets 20,000 likes, I'll give that to the turtles and see what happens to them. Alright guys. And we'll see if they grow up, if I feed them the potion. Alright guys. It's gonna be like so insane. So I'm just gonna end the video right over here guys. Alright. Make sure to give a big thumbs up if you enjoyed. Subscribe. Oh my god. Come on. Yo, please turtle, stop this. Please turn the lights on. Come on. Yo, come on. Yo, what happened again? This is insane guys. The last just kept going. Oh my god, come on, not again. Yo, I think it's the orange turtle again. Yo, let me open the door. Come on. Yo, come on, let's take them. Let's go. Oh my god.